Hello, everyone. This is How to Media, and today I'd like to guide you on resolving the issue of CapCut templates not appearing on TikTok. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started to ensure a smooth fix. First, make sure to follow these steps carefully to avoid any errors. If you've tried various methods and are still experiencing issues, the next step is to reach out to TikTok's support team for assistance. To initiate contact, tap your account icon located in the bottom right corner to access your account page. Once on this page, select More in the top right corner, which is represented by the 3 horizontal lines. From there, navigate to Settings and Privacy, which is located at the top. Scroll down until you find Report a Problem and select it. Now, in the Topics section, choose the most relevant option. For this issue, select Videos and Sounds. Following this, click on Video Shooting and then choose Other. Here, you'll see the text section. Select No and proceed to click on Need, More Help, located at the top. At this point, the page will be essentially cleared, as this is where we want to address the problem. Delete any pre-filled messages, and in this section, write a message like the following. Hi, I need help with CapCut templates not showing. Please assist me. After composing your message, click on Submit. Within a few hours or perhaps 1 to 2 days, TikTok's support team will respond and either resolve the issue on their end or provide instructions for you to follow to fix it from your side.